Hello and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Rocket Mortgage account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in www.rocketmortgage.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Rocket Mortgage. Click the sign in button at the top right hand corner from the official page and you'll be taken to the sign in area. In order to log in and access your account, you'll need to enter your username followed by your password. Your username and your password is the one that you created while signing up for your mortgage account. Go ahead and fill in your username first. Make sure to type it in correct and on the next field, type in your password as well. If you're having trouble remembering your password or your username, you can click on the Forgot Username or the Forgot Password link respectively. After filling in your details, click the sign in button to access your Rocket Mortgage account. That is how you can easily log in to Rocket Mortgage. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.